nigo togochaga korwa sensemo yogosira chisemi anene asense ito ya Kenya tumurekera asorongo rwa Gusii ekero kerie bengi ya Equity agendrets no murobuli bukoigora chimba bachia yo murobuli manyakante buna wings to fly asebona litukolia rero baba kurwa bokonyi gochia sabana au babete bakora bya samate mwabo abeire kagweta yerobono ebengi ya Equity nige kuru murobuli yoyo anene asokonyara gosira bana bali batali kwenyara bali bakurwa chinga chintaka boigo baroka nego kora bya skuru omurobuli okolekana kiro mwaka asokonyara gosira na gokinia ibirengo by'ekisemi.
Majina ni Zerusa Nyaboke Moses, natoka kijiji cha Irondi Sublocation, Taracha location. Ningesema kurudisha asante kwa Mungu kwanza. Alafu nirudisha asante kwa hii panel ya Equity na elimu ambayo ilipanga kusaidia watoto wetu pamoja na sisi.
Kwa majina ninaitwa Master Ondara Akuma. Kule kuomba na kutafuta njia ambayo ingesaidia mtoto, nikapata scholarship kutoka kwa benki kuu ya Equity, na ambapo nimemwezesha mtoto achukue nafasi yake angalau azome siku za uzoni, maana taifa letu la Kenya linamhitaji.
We hope that our daughters and sons are going also to return to the others who are vulnerable and needy when they finish their scholarships. We also hope that whoever that has been selected should be so prayerful, because this is the work of God. This is God. These are the miracles that God can do, because some of us don't even understand how it happened.
I'm Damakrin Kerubo Bosire. I did my KCP exam at Sensil SDA Primary School. I was called at Indoor Girls. First of all, I would like to thank our Equity staff for making this program to support us. Actually, I was not to go to Indoor Girls if not this Equity branch. I promised to work hard when I go to school. Actually, I want to take medicine after my KCSE exam. I promise Equity staff, I will not let you down. I will not let you down. I will make it. Actually, I don't have much to say. May God bless you abundantly.